Who made this? Who took the time to make this?
Dang, they walk slow.
They're all gushy and stuff. Beach.
How?
Look at my hair. I haven't seen this in a while.
Vlog.
Yeah.
You're getting all this sand on me.
Hey, that's the point.
Aisling and her boyfriend are on the vlog again. It's been since like the 15.
Yeah. Haven't seen you.
Hey.
It's been sad.
That's okay.
Bridget got took out by the water.
Yeah, a lot of
It was
times.
so funny.
I get dark if I like go out enough. I just hate laying in the sun.
Yeah.
Except at the beach. And I don't live near the beach.
Stand all over me.
That's okay.
My hair.
So, Marco buried Ashlyn's water bottle in the sand, and she doesn't know. Where is it? Right there? It's in there.
Oh,
Gabby's not trying to burn.
I hate the sun.
Neither are we, but we're probably gonna burn.
Sweet frog? Ling. Yeah. Do you have water? Yeah. Yeah. Where's your other bottle? This is my other bottle. Where's the other one? Huh? Where's the other one? What other one? The other water bottle.
Didn't you have another one that you were drinking?
Yeah, drank it.
He drank your water bottle?
Yeah.
Where's his? Where's it at?
Why she? What do you need? The water for some good sand.
Hey, where's your water bottle at? What happened to your water bottle? What do you need water for? Because we're trying to make sure everybody has a water bottle. Where's his at? No, where's yours?
Here in this bag.
No, you had a different kind. You're lying.
Oh my. Gabby's gonna do the skin board. Oh, oh.
My bottoms are all touching my
Same. Oh, it's cold. I'm burning. That's why I hate it. I'm getting burnt. Marco was burying a beet because it was on his towel. You buried it? Okay. We're walking right now. I'm already like burnt because you know I'm white, so it happens.
I'm tan because you know Filipino skin. We're gonna go to Lemonade. Get some
Yeah.
lemonade.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I got some beach hair that I don't know how to style.
Yeah, and I'm really upset that I'm burnt already. I hate being burnt.
I hate being tan.
I'd rather be tan than burnt.
Cause like, you know how often I need to change my concealer shades?
Oh yeah,
It's hard.
that's true. I just stay white.
Can't relate. I wish I had like the skin that I had when I was little, cause I was white.
Hmm.
I need to sneeze again.
Oh, I just like got so much water out of my top.
Hey, is my back really bad?
Yeah. Wait, show mine.
Oh shoot, I did it.
Oh no. We don't have pants on, and we're going to Lemonade.
Anyways, we all look naked.
Yeah.
See, look.
Me too.
This is what I look like at dance.
Why didn't we put on our shorts?
I could have, but
I don't have shorts on either. I had so much sand on my butt, y'all.
We made it. It's a little confusing at first, but we made it. Like the parking. But
You have to pay to park. I'm already getting sunburn. Look at my face.
me too. Okay. So yeah, we always get they get the green light whenever we try to cross.
I think one time it would work out for us. but it didn't.
But we're leaving right now. Aisling and her boyfriend are still at the beach
Stop.
because they want to stay a little longer.
Just stop.
I'm burnt. Me too, my face is
I'm hot. Wait a minute.
I hate when my face gets burnt.
Look at me. I look busted.
Me too.
We all do.
Okay, guys. Right
So I was changing, and then I kind of brought the whole beach with me.
What are you talking about?
right here. That's an Altarita.
Can we just?
I was just asking if you like it.
Gabby sounded excited and then
Turn right onto Balsa Avenue towards San Diego.
Well, Marco, we're gonna go to Speed Wash later.
What
Hi.
the heck?
What the heck? Look at my phone. It's logged, but then the time isn't showing.
they're smashing my legs.
That's weird.
Oh no.
I say there as if Gabby's touching me.
What?
Okay.
Why'd you put that shirt on your leg?
Because I'm cold.
Oh. Just put your legs through the arms.
I need a pee.
It's literally not even cold. You should have gone in cadence like I did.
Are you gonna put your legs through the
my
arms?
hips.
No. Marco will punch me.
That would be funny.
Marco will hit me. His shirt will be ruined.
I wore that. It was just sitting in my closet. And then I put it on. I was all, wow, this shirt is really ugly.
His shirt's ugly.
On me.
It's ugly on you.
It's cute on me.
Shut up.
Probably be good on me too. I like stripes.
I was gonna buy a striped shirt, but I couldn't find anything
Hey,
else
I
I
thought
wanted.
I had a thing that pulled down in the middle.
Nope. you're
Guess
that
not.
Cool.
I wish
You
I did.
you were wrong.
I wish I had that.
You're not cool. Look at my legs. Just look at how ashy.
Yeah.
White people should not look like this.
That's what I look like
This
during
is
winter.
trash.
That's what I look like.
I got sandpaper for legs.
Why is your seatbelt still on?
My face is so
safe
red.
We're parked.
It's not safe though because we are in the middle of a road.
But we are parked.
Yeah, but we're not safe.
But I'm not driving.
Other cars are not.
But I'm not driving.
Other cars are.
We are parked. I will turn the car off if you would like.
No, please don't because it'll be hot.
It's okay.
We're
Brian,
waiting
I'm cold.
for Aisling and Jacob.
Look how much coffee I have left.
Can I have some?
Half of Bridget's ass cheek is red.
I don't know if the other side is, but probably. Oh yeah, Marco's voice like got so deep. Like he wasn't.
He said,
"Oh shit." It was funny.
"Oh my god, I look so
I can't.
busted."
Me too.
Dad, you always do. No, oh my god. Wait, turn off the camera.
Gabby just slapped my butt.
Love
But
ya.
bye guys.
Bye, bro.
Bye, love ya.
Love you.
Why is there a line where you're not burnt?
I was trying to.
Ow.
Okay, look.
Okay,
Because I can't.
and then Aisling, my chest is burnt, which usually doesn't burn, so that's good.
And then you're gonna turn right.
I hate my butt
And then
being
into that
burnt.
gate area.
That?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah, Bridget, you are a tomato.
I know.
I'm burnt too, and I'm in pain.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm
But it's not even
hurting.
that bad.
No.
How much longer did you guys stay? Like after we left?
30 minutes.
Did you just like lay?
Yeah.
Do I have to press these stupid
No,
buttons?
no, the gate will stay open. It's broken.
Okay.
Just, yeah.
Oh, is this one that is always open?
Yeah.
Well, that's helpful. Hurts my body.
Bye, vlog.
Bye.
So
I
to
love
say
you.
bye. Love you. See you
your
soon.
boy.
Bye.
Megan.
Bye.
Thank you
Bye,
for everything.
Who's this? It's your boy.
Oh, don't follow them back.
One onions, a large fry, and 2 large sweet peas.
We also got a 20-piece chicken nugget.
Barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay, would I complete your order today?
Yeah.
1344 at the first. Thank you.
We're right.
1344. I should have got my wallet out. Oh, it's right there.
That's okay.
You can kind of see.
You're white.
In reality, who's the white one?
I'm like red and white right now, though.
I'm kind of dark.
Yeah, you are.
How long does it take to pay?
I know. Nobody's in front of them. So today was a pretty fun day. A lot of laughs, a lot of burns. We've only eaten McDonald's today. Well, we had lemonade.
Yeah, but like just lemonade to drink, not
Yeah.
like
Not the food.
not the food from the restaurant.
Yeah.
I feel like if anybody from like another place watches this, they'll think like, duh, lemonade's a drink, but like lemonade's a restaurant.
Yeah. Do they not have it?
No.
Is it just here?
I think it's just here.
Do you not have it in
Maybe it's like
Tennessee?
in Florida and stuff too, like beach places.
But you probably don't have it like in
Uh-uh.
Tennessee. Sad.
Sort of.
Yeah, so my butt got burnt again.
It's okay.
Yep.
She
Never
was
too
talking.
many
She knew
friends.
that stupid girl. No wonder it was taking so long.
Jeez. She knew that stupid. We have our McDonald's, so we're good to go. And then since it's hot, we have ice cream at home.
Were we supposed to get that?
What?
Frosties.
No, it's okay.
We'll worry about it another day. It's
Yeah. Yeah, we have ice cream anyway, so.
We have my kind of ice cream.
You're mint.
Yeah.
We can dip our fries in that.